たね。いやここ始めてきますね。マウンテンモータースポーツ。おーすげえ。はい、いや。あれこんなもんだっけ。$6000で買えるのこれ。さてとというかで見ちゃいますか。Can you try to sit down?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks. Is this 1199?
So this
Yes.
is the first gen V4.
Oh.
So I think they're on the second gen or third gen now, but this is right when they came out with the new engine.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but it has really nice exhaust on this one.
Oh,
This
is this like used?
It's a pre-owned bike, yeah.
Oh, really? Okay. I'll try. Yo.
What do you have now?
KTM, RC and
RC.
690 SMCL. Yeah.
Track days or what?
Yeah, the RC for track, like SMCR for touring.
Cool.
Yeah. Everybody said, let's say, front up, but I cannot.
No wheelies?
No wheels, SMCL. I used to do it in the 250, the Kawasaki KRX, but I don't want to crash the 690. That's why. Yeah, I'm afraid of it. Yeah. I feel like this is very close. Like CBR is like this.
Yeah.
Like this is almost touching the.
Yeah. People say the V4 is the most comfortable super bike for the road.
Ah.
So it's pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Ergonomically.
Yeah. And it's not too scary price, I thought.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one's 18, you know, it's got a little bit more miles on it. It's still very low, 3,600 miles on it. That exhaust alone is probably three grand.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. It has the new Rage fender eliminator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Got the bar and mirrors on it.
Is that the new one? Like
That's a special edition.
uh,
That is actually pre-owned bike.
oh,
This is
okay.
the Anniversario. Have you ever owned a Ducati before?
Oh yeah, the Monster 900.
Yeah, Monster.
Yes.
So this bike, if you look at it, it's 155 out of 500.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very special.
and this is the scary price.
Yeah, this is the price, yeah.
Yes.
But electronic suspension.
Oh
You have
wow.
dynamic adjustability on the fly, so it's always adjusting.
All come as is like this. Oh.
This is all factory bike except
Wow.
for I think the frame slider.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can get it.
Yeah, but
I know.
a little out of the price budget.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
If you have any more other questions, I'll just be right over
Yeah.
there.
Thanks. Hi. Right. こんなのうちんじきおお、ここにあるやん。あ、エンデューロなんか。タイヤが。最後ね、せっかく来たのでお土産買って帰ろうかなと思ってアパレルコーナーお邪魔しました。ドゥカティのアパレルはかっこいいのが多いですよね。 こちらの T シャツを買ってくることにしたんですけれども、気持ちいいね。こちらドゥカティの T シャツ比べると、ドゥカティは L、KTM は M でぴったりなんですよ。アメリカのサイズ表記ってこういうことがあるので、ちゃんと現物見て買わないと失敗することがあります。はい、というわけで今回はこちらアトランタ郊外にあるバイク屋さんマウンテンモータースポーツからお届けしました。KTM の正規ディーラーということで、さすがそうそうたる品揃えだったんですけど、実は新型 RC390 ないかなって期待したんですけど、なんとまだね入ってきてないみたいですね。で、一つびっくりしたのがこの RS タイチ取り扱いがあるんですよね。アメリカで初めて見たんですよ。ということでね、こちらマウンテンスポーツさんでした。次回アトランタといえばあの男、ニックチャンネルニックさんの登場です。ここアトランタの地でどんなバトルを繰り広げるのか、こうご期待。